And straight down. Oh my goodness, what?
It's gonna go until he gets back.
Here we go. 3, 2, holy frick, dude! Oh my goodness! That's scary, dude! That's scary! Look at that view. Look at this. Dude, let's show it. Alright, I should probably I'm gonna pull myself back up now real quick. Can you climb? I bet you can climb and jump.
Oh, I can feel every hair.
I need a good handhold. Ready?
It's just water in the mic.
It still works, dude. What the heck? It's still on 55% battery. 58%. That's insane. Okay, guys. So the backstory is, yesterday we went up the big cliffs, right up on this mountain over here. We got our sick rides. We're gonna have a lot of fun.